Yeah, I live it up. I make that money, I spend that money, I fuck it up.
I pop that perky, I sip that lean, that double cup.
This a lifestyle, this ain't nothing new to us, yeah. This ain't new to us, yeah. I live it up. I make that money, I spend that money, I fuck it up.
I pop that perky, I sip that lean, that double cup.
This a lifestyle, this ain't nothing new to us.
Hello guys, and this is Active Heat here, and we are back with another bang. Hey, hello.
Hello, my friends.
Hello, Bolski Blowski.
Polski Broski, that's what his name is. Polski Broski. Well, my name is Romanian Ronne.
Ronnie, nice to meet you, pal.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Gracious.
Gracias, not to meet you, Gracias.
Something funny?
Yes, your name.
What's so funny about my name? My last name's Gushner.
Krasny Grushny?
Krasny Gushner.
Krasny Gushnan.
That's the one.
Oh, he's laughing and he's running away.
Who you?
I'm pizza.
He's Polski Broski.
Did you say Bosky Bosky? Now telling
No,
me
that's
fish,
not
girl.
my fucking name. You
My
take
visa
it.
ran out a year ago and I'm still here.
Don't tell me that.
I'm not.
But I'm
20.
Romanian.
Don't tell me that.
Why?
Mine ran out 2 years ago.
Oh, 2 years. We can stay here, my
You
friend.
like
We can work
21
together.
Savage.
Yeah,
His
it's-
Nisa ran out years ago.
Nisa?
Nisa?
Nisa from... No,
Nisa.
from primary.
YouTube. Well, Nisa is shop. YouTube.
Hello, Thomas. Yo, guys.
So guys, I'm back with another YouTube video. I'm gonna be doing a bite check. So guys, I'm back with another YouTube video. I'm gonna be doing another bite check with noob.
You need me. You need me.
You can't put that in. My new boob.
Go.
Boobies.
So guys, I'm back with another YouTube video, Active Hitter, and I'm on my new bike today. Let's do a bite check.
Who's calling? Hello? Hello, my friend. Really good, was it?
So guys, I've got a new board mode.
No, he got that in his video.
This is where I got the reflex stickers from. So anyone wants any, go at them on Instagram. Got Supreme, Active Hitter, Magic Designs logo. Got 100. I've got the Noise Rock Shocks. They're very good, very suspension, hehe, lol. I got Active Hitter sticker. Got the race face stem. And I have more stickers, very reflective on this side. And then I got another grip on this side. It's amazing because I had one on that side and I have one on this side. And then I have Worldwide Tones on Instagram. They do loads of tune making on Instagram. And I got nice DMR, shiny blue. Yes. This grip tag, it helps you do very good tricks. And then we got these lovely tires. It's got grey wall all the way around, if you believe me. Something funny, sir?
Yes, you're speaking in accent. It's
Yes, you told me to accent for the whole video.
Oh,
so
yes, I did, to be
we
fair.
make it funny.
Sorry.
No problem.
What's your name again?
Kolomanchum?
Can I mention?
Not funny.
Give your name out, shit under arrest.
But I have SE. Yes.
I didn't lose any.
I was going to say, did you lose any?
We lost followers on Instagram because Instagram rubbish, but we're good now, we're good. We solved the problem. If you like my bike, we have SE seat. Very good from Ride Shop in Coventry. Yeah, it's very good. High five. High five. Lol. Yes. So look, watch this. We can go really fast into bike to get out of this intro. My bike check, and today we're doing a bike check, if you believe it or not. Thank God you do that. Oh, it's recording by accident.
I've got a load of other stickers, but I was too.
Yes, I play bike,
Yeah, I
Jake.
would,
But then look at this. These people are very shiny right now. I don't know why. Look at the bike, shiny. Look at the bag, very shiny, very good. He's got glasses. Go! What are we doing?
Tig.
What are we doing?
Bag dig.
What are we doing?
Basically, today we are doing.
Bike dig!
What are we doing?
We're playing tig on bicycles on the ramps. Bike dig.
Right here, very fun, very good high five.
You just paid 50 kids for
Shiny,
back,
shiny.
Yeah. Looks alright.
I get you.
You know that, pal.
That's on the other side.
Yo, it's team up, Tick. Who's it? Let's talk. Let's talk. This is what. Let's talk. This is Valentine's Day love. Valentine's Day love, bless them.
Fucking move your shit in leg.
Shut up. It's funny how slow it went.
Yo, you can't take us without you, bro.
My foot, man.
Yo, it's actually trapped.
And now helping them in funny as fuck.
Yo, that's fucking perfect. Fuck that.
You guys chew off.
Oh, sorry.
He's stuck.
It's chain. Look at the pedal and the chain.
I hear like a little boy on my
Spend that money, I fuck it up.
I pop that perky, I sip that lean, that double cup.
This a lifestyle, this ain't